You obviously clicked this video by looking at the title as to how can someone make an easy creamy curry in 5 minutes. Around 2% of world's population makes this curry in some form. Excited to know what it is? It's a traditional recipe from my country. We call this as Moru curry without coconut. And hey, welcome to Elle's Alchemy. We need 1 glass of yogurt, and if you want to know how to make fresh yogurt, check the card above. I personally call this as a curry in a hurry. Now this yogurt curry will be so simple and you'd be left wondering, why didn't I know about this earlier? You can always thank me by commenting if you really want to. Once I have blended the yogurt, I add in half a cup of water to thin it out. We do this because the curry tends to thicken up once it's cool, and then it won't be of pouring consistency. Now let's get started on how to make Moru curry without coconut. Heat a pan, drizzle in some oil, add some shallots, ginger, garlic, green chilies, curry leaves, and sauté them until they are cooked. The amount of each shallots, ginger, garlic, green chili can be varied as per your preference. Now the only thing is that we need less amount of each, cause a little goes a long way. Stay till the end of the video as I will list out the health benefits of Moru curry or our curry in a hurry. Once the turmeric is cooked, we then add in our blended yogurt water mix. Stir it well, and once you find it's turned yellow, we have our Moru curry without coconut. But wait, we need to temper some spices as the next step. Do not keep this long on the stove top as it would get curdled as we are heating yogurt. This technique of tempering spices intensifies the flavor of the spices while infusing their flavors into the oil. How to temper spices? Take a pan, drizzle some oil, and when it's hot enough, add your spices. For this Moru curry without coconut, we're going to use some red chilies and green chilies. Now you'll be like, so much spices? Trust me, it's not spicy at all. Why? Because the base is yogurt, which is sour in taste, and hence the spice matches with sourness. Remember pairing of flavors? We then add in mustard seeds and fenugreek seeds. Add in some bunch of curry leaves, which when roasted in oil, it imparts another depth of flavor to this dish. And while it gets roasted, have you ever had yogurt-based curry at your home? What kind of vegetables do you think can be added to this curry? Type in the comments, and if you're enjoying this video so far, hit that like, subscribe and bell icon so that you don't miss the weekly uploads. I add the rest of the spice powders like cumin, fenugreek, chili and turmeric. Now the residue heat in the pan would be enough to cook the spice through. Most Kerala-based curries are always prepared with coconut. So for folks who are not fond of coconut-based curries but would love to indulge in Kerala cuisine, this is like the most basic curry you would find in a Kerala home. Health benefits of Moru curry. Yogurt helps in digestion and is known to help with weight loss as it promotes a feeling of fullness. Antioxidants in green chilies protects the body from free radicals and prevents stress. Coconut oil is a medium-chain triglyceride. MCTs have been known to improve your brain and memory function. They also give a boost to your energy levels and improve your endurance. Now if these benefits aren't enough, watch out this video where I make crepes with cucumber and why fermented foods are good for gut health.